Are you ready to bowl, laugh, and create unforgettable memories with friends and family? Imagine enjoying your favorite game night at Bowlero while saving big. We've got an exciting treat for you. Exclusive Bowlero coupons, promo codes, and discounts that will have you rolling in joy. Literally, why pay more when you can pay less? With just a few simple steps, you can transform your next bowling outing into an unforgettable experience without breaking the bank. Let us guide you. 1. Visit the magic savings spot. Head over to promosaver.net or simply click the link in the description or comments of this video. 2. Find the perfect deal. Browse through an amazing collection of coupons and choose the one that fits your style. 3. Apply and save. Use your selected promo code at checkout and watch the total drop like a perfectly executed strike. It's that easy. Don't miss out on these incredible discounts. Whether you're planning a weekend hangout, a birthday party, or just a casual game, Bowlero has something special for everyone. And with these coupons, the fun comes at an unbeatable price. Your savings, your memories. Make every strike, spare, and even gutter ball count. Save your hard-earned money while enjoying a fantastic time on the lanes. The opportunity to bowl, bond, and save big is just a click away. Start now and bowl smarter. Visit promosaver.net today. Grab your Bowlero discount and get ready for a thrilling adventure at the lanes. The perfect game is waiting. Now, so is the perfect deal.